So LGSF structures consist of two parts, walls and the roof. So walls, we have a different types of walls like load bearing walls, non-load bearing walls and the shear walls. And for the roof also, as per the requirements, it's accessible roof or non-accessible roof, we design it. So the process is very simple. We design the structure using structural softwares and see the structural requirements, and we design the sections, and after that we do the detailed BIM modeling, and then we send the file to the manufacturing. And once the steel is manufactured, it's brought to the site and assembled together and then erected as per the structural drawings.